Hey guys, I'm getting ready to make a real simple 5-minute lunch, the pepperoni pizza quesadilla. All you're going to need is some type of tortillas. I'm using the carb counter by La Banderita. Whatever cheese you choose, mozzarella is the best, but today I don't have any, so I'm using mild cheddar, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. This is turkey pepperoni, but of course you can use regular pepperoni, pizza sauce, whatever kind you like, and some type of cooking oil spray. In your eye, you're going to spray your pan with the cooking oil, non-stick cooking oil spray. And you're going to put a serving of pepperonis down on the pan. I got out one too many. Serving size is 17. This is very low calorie as well. For turkey, it's only 70 calories for a serving size. And I have this on a medium heat, guys. Then you're going to take and sprinkle your cheese. You can be as liberal as you like. This is about maybe a fourth of a cup left, so I'll use the rest of this that was in the bag. Don't want to leave any remnants behind. You're going to take your pizza. You're going to then take your garlic powder. Sprinkle a little garlic powder on that, and that's again however much you like. There's no measurements here. And again, with your Italian seasonings, no measurements. You're going to take your pizza. I put this on a paper plate. You're going to take your pizza sauce. It doesn't take much because you don't want it all oozing out. And spread it across the tortilla. I just like a little light spread across. I can maybe use a tip more. And I've spread this across. Now I'm going to give that about a minute to cook down and heat up and let the cheese start to melt, because what I want to do is for the tortilla to stick to that. Okay guys, about 1 minute has passed, and as you can hear, it's sizzling up here. Now this is what you want to do, is lay your tortilla on top of it. And you want to let that kind of sizzle for another minute. After about a minute has passed, this says allow the tortilla to stick to the pepperoni. You're going to flip it out on a plate. And this is what you'll have. See how that stick? If you want to eat it like this, you can. But you put that back in the pan. And you allow it to kind of just brown for about a minute. Okay, after about a minute, you go ahead and kind of flip it over. And I will allow this to brown on one side for another minute and on the second side for a minute. As you can see, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 5-minute meal. And there you have it, guys. It's all done. Plate it up. Nice lunch today with a side of cucumbers. Enjoy. Let me know if you try it and you like it. 5-minute lunch.